Do you think we cannot find some? Do you see this? It's from our last harvest again. So that's what we normally do here. We take seeds from the harvest, from our garden. That's what we do. It's not that really. Sometimes I enjoy eating raw peas like this. Guys, do you see this? Wow. I just want to taste this. I don't want to remove the flesh from this papaya. Yeah, so guys, let's harvest together today. I've decided to harvest today. It's been long I haven't harvested anything from this garden. So I've decided to show you guys what we have at my place, and we are enjoying ourselves eating from this garden every day, and I enjoy eating vegetables and some produce from this garden every day, and it heals my soul. It heals my soul, guys. I enjoy harvesting crops. I enjoy every moment in the garden or in the field. And yeah, so let's do it. As you can see here, guys, there is lettuce here, 2 lines, and yeah, 2.5 lines here. We planted lettuce some months ago, and after planting that lettuce, we didn't finish harvesting that lettuce. That lettuce gave us some seeds. We harvested those seeds, and these are the seeds. We ended up planting those seeds. We were just experimenting. We wanted to see if the lettuce can perform well. We produced the seedlings here, and I can say this lettuce is performing well. As you can see, the lettuce is so healthy. So let's harvest the lettuce first. Guys, this knife, I like this knife. Why? Because I bought this knife in Mozambique. I really love to see this knife. If I see this knife, it reminds me of my journey from Tanzania. Let me see if I can find the big one. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow. Yes, let me get this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa, ndiri Mukunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you like, if you share, if you comment on this video, that's how I grow. And you will be part of this She Africa YouTube channel family. So subscribe. Let me get this one. Wow. I'm happy. Yes, let's do this. Let's do this. Yes, this is it, guys. The lettuce. Wow, I like it. Harvesting something from your garden. It feels good. Harvesting something from the garden. It feels good, guys. It feels good. So let's move and let us harvest some onions that we have here. We just need some onions. Just have to get some onions here. Okay, which ones can I take? Let me see here. So yeah, let's harvest this one. Oh, she's big enough. Yes, I like this. I like the smell. Good smell of fresh onion from the garden. I like it. Yes. Wow. This is it. In our basket, and this one here. Okay. We need tomatoes, and let's harvest some tomatoes. This is gem tomato, and I'm going to harvest these ones. They are not completely ripe, but I'm going to harvest them like that. Yes, they will be completely ripe in the house. Yes, the basket. Are we getting something? Are we getting something here? Yes, there's this one here. Let's take this one here. This is tuta, right? Oh, do you see this? We call this a dumbuja. It's only this one here. I wish there were many here I could take and cook, and I would enjoy myself eating the dumbujas. That type of grasshopper, we call it dumbuja. Let's get these ones here. Let's go. I want to harvest the papayas. So let's go and harvest papayas together. I love eating papayas from our trees. And I need a cabbage. I need some carrots. Yes, the papayas. Let me put these here and take this, put papaya. Yeah, let me put it here. What am I going to do? Yes, I won, guys. This is it, guys. A healthy one, a healthy papaya. We're going to enjoy ourselves. Let's go and harvest some papayas. Yes, this is it. Let's go harvest some papayas there. That side. Let's go, let's go. Those ones are far, far away. But we were supposed to harvest that one there. Sure. Some papayas, they are so healthy, guys. The papayas here. Oh, this one here. Am I good at this? Do you think I can quit at this one? Yes. I don't want. I didn't want this one to fall down. The little one, the small one, the mini one. Let's do this one. This is the mini one. And I hope I'm going to catch it. I hope I'm going to catch it. I hope I will catch this one. I hope I'm not going to harvest those ones that are not ripe. Let's try and see how it goes. How it goes. I don't want those. Yes! Catch it! Yes, I'm good at this. I know myself. I know myself. Oh, yes. This is it, guys. Papayas. Papayas, they are here. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. I like harvesting. I like farming. I love it. These are the papayas, and some of them are still bare. But I'm not going to harvest those. Let me see if I can get the carrots here. Ah, we need birds are here to keep. Yes, this is our harvest. Some are babies. The fresh cabbage. Yes. Let's go and harvest some potatoes. There is nothing. Yeah. Oh, wow. I hope so. These are so the babies. These are the babies. Baby potatoes. The babies. Yes. Let's see what we can get here. Wow. I'm getting something. Yeah. Let's see. I want something. Singa in the madaka. Yes. I'm getting something here. Oh, this is big. The red soil. Aye. Oh. We are getting something, guys, here. We are getting something here. Yes. 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 Wow. Ah, there's another one. Another potato. Yo. Okay. It's some. Wow, two of them. Oh, shame. Oh, I cut that one. Oh! There is something here. Pane rimwe irichenjere. No! I knew it! I knew it, guys. We are getting something here, guys. Wow. What do you think about this? Guys, what do you think? This one. There's another one. Wow, don't. Do it slowly. Oh, don't. This one. Careful, careful. You might cut. Yeah. I knew it. I told you. I told you. Be careful, careful. Oh. Careful. Oh. I told you. Be careful. Oh. This one. Be careful. Oh. You might cut some. Yay! Oh, oh, oh. Wow, 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 wow. Show it. Ah, we are getting something. What's your judgment, guys? I've told you guys that this crop, this seed, we got this seed from our last harvest. What do you think? Please give.
Second-hand seed.
Please.
Second-hand seed. Yeah?
Comment below, guys. Comment below. Comment below. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? This one here. Wow. There's another one. Did you see that?
No.
Ah. Kuna varima. Hakuna varima. We are happy, guys. We are so happy. Can you try dig that side? Wow. What do you think? This is our harvest. This is our harvest.
They are normal. They are not big. They are not small.
Yeah, they are not big. They are not small. It's just good size. Oh, yo. Yes. Shaita tinash. Chamadi akawanda. Can we have that plastic thing? I'm happy, guys. I'm happy with our produce, guys. So we eat fresh from our garden. Fresh potatoes from this garden. As you can see. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm done harvesting. Let's go home and enjoy. Ande kunyumba.